Today I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this hair. I've been seeing Kim Kardashian rocking this hairstyle a lot. It just looks like your hair is literally braided, and I am wearing a Fashion Nova bodysuit. And then I also filmed this really natural makeup. So if you guys want to see how I got this complete look, then just stay tuned and let's get started. I hope you guys like this video. So I'm just gonna do my foundation because my eyeshadow is not gonna be too dramatic. As you guys can see, my skin is not perfect because I am breaking out everywhere, but it's because I'm almost gonna get my monthly gift. But aside of that, let's start doing our makeup. I'm gonna be using the Hangover primer, and I'm gonna apply this on my T-zone because that is where I usually get oily or like my makeup starts creasing. So I am color correcting because, as you guys can see, I have really bad bags under my eye, but I'm gonna blur them out with the Master Camo Maybelline orange concealer. This is like the Nikita Dragon dupe of her color corrector that I've been using, but it finished and I haven't purchased a new one, but this one will do for now. We're just gonna blend this up. I know I am not the cutest in two braids. I know that because I feel like a dinosaur every single time I do two braids. I honestly feel like a dinosaur, and I don't look cute in two braids. Like, there's girls who look cute in two braids, like they can actually rock them and like go to work with two braids, but I can't. Like, I fucking look like India Maria, or like, I don't know, I just don't feel cute with two braids. So yeah, I'm just gonna take them off once I'm done with my makeup and you guys are gonna see the whole look. So I'm just blending out the color concealer out with my brush, and I'm gonna be blending in with my beauty blender also. We are going to be going in with Face Tape foundation from Tarte. This is an amazing foundation. I'm just gonna dot my foundation all over my skin. I was seriously going through a funk, and I am glad I got out of it and I'm back on track. So I'm gonna be filming more again. Every day is a blessed day, and that every day is a new start. And if you guys are going through it, just remember, like, you're not alone. Everybody has their days where they don't feel like doing anything. Okay, so I do have my foundation on. As you guys can see, this covered all my imperfections. Like, you can't even tell I have a pimple right there. My eczema has been over the roof. I usually get it like right here, and if I scratch, my skin starts turning white. So my eczema is just driving me nuts right now. Okay, so now I'm going to contour my face. I'm gonna contour with my Fenty Beauty Truffles contouring stick. Just with the fluffy brush, we're gonna blend that in. So now, using my Face Tape concealer, I'm going to highlight under my eyes, and we really just want to highlight this portion of our face. It's going to complement our contour a lot. So let's just go ahead and do that. We're almost done with the face. You know, this is a quick makeup routine that will literally make you be looking super cute. We are now going to be setting our concealer with the Too Faced setting powder, Born This Way. I really love this setting powder. I can't stop using it. I want to have like a line to guide myself, and I'm gonna set on top of my lip also, and in the center of my forehead. I feel like once you start setting your makeup, it starts coming together. Like, going with my MAC Studio Fix powder and set my whole face. So our face is ready for the eyeshadow, and today I'm gonna be using the Daisy Marquez palette. It has all the perfect nude, orange, bronzy eyeshadow, and that's the look that I'm going for. I just want like a nice, settled, soft brown copper eyeshadow. Going to be going in with a Dulce. I've been really liking blending the first color all over my eyelid. Like, just blend it all over, it's fine. Like that. And then going in with the color Naked. I'm gonna use the same brush and just blend that color on top, like over here. Just focus it right there. And then the other eye, we're gonna go in with the cocoa, but are just going to be using that to like intensify the outer. You guys are just going to be focusing this on the corner like that, and do the same thing to the other eye. And then just leave it like that because we're gonna blend it in with the copper color. It is called Royalty. It's this one right here. And we are going to be blending this all over our eyelid. So do you guys see, like, I kind of made it into a cat eye, but very effortlessly, and that's the look that I'm going for. And if you guys have really dark eyes, dude, copper colors are your best friends because they really complement your eyes. Like that. We can use this color, it's called Lust. I'm gonna apply this in the beginning of my eye. I'm just going to go in with the matte shade that we applied earlier, this Dulce color, and I'm just gonna really blend that in with the shimmery copper color, and we are pretty much done with this eyeshadow. Okay, so the eyeshadow is actually done. This is the soft eyeshadow I was going for. I am going to be using the Kylie Jenner contour. The contour where we originally contoured with the Fenty Beauty stick. We are going to be using our Too Faced bronzer in the color Chocolate Gold. This little cute bronzer. It smells so good. Smells like real chocolate. Okay, with makeup on, like, I could probably like rock these braids, but in the morning when I woke up, I was like, oh no, baby girl, like, you look like a dinosaur. And I'm just going to highlight. We are going to be setting our whole face using the MAC Pep and Prime spray. And going in with my Kohl's coupons, I'm just going to give some air to my face. I'm gonna go in with this color Icy, and we are just gonna highlight the inner corner of our eye. Okay, this gives it like the pop. Hands down, Strip Down is my favorite lip liner for MAC. So I'm just gonna do my lips real fast. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go in with my favorite matte lipstick in MILANI in the color Adorable. I'm going in with my Dragon Beauty Transformation Face Powder. I'm going to just go under my eyes with this. I'm just gonna show you guys how I get the Kim Kardashian crimped hair. So I am going to start undoing my braids. So I showered last night and I made my mom braid my hair, and then I wake up in the morning and I take it off. My hair is really nice and crimped in the morning when I undo these braids, and then I just like to put some mousse on it so it's not poofy. Ooh, girl, I look like a new person. All right, so this is my hair. Let me turn around so you guys. To keep it this way and so it doesn't get like frizzy, I'm just gonna put some mousse. It's the Tresemme mousse. I'm gonna put some of this on my hair. I don't want a lot because I don't want to undo the crimped hair, but as you guys can see, I am like putting some mousse, and I'm also like trying to curl it more. Dude, baby Luke is just going crazy right now. Let's do that to the rest of your hair. I am done. If you guys are wondering what eyelashes I'm wearing, I'm actually wearing Cocoa lashes in the style Stella. They're my favorite lashes. I feel like they complement my eyes so good. This is the final look. As you guys can see, makeup is just super natural. Like, it just looks like I have lashes on. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you guys are new to my channel, hey girls, hey guys, hey everyone. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.